On page 46, we have a graph that shows children born per woman over the years 1800 to 2016. So we have a different quantity that's changing over time, and we have a much shorter time interval that we're looking at. This text here details exactly how they count this. So what is this graph communicating? If you trace this from left to right, then you can see that this is a decreasing graph. And then we have a period of some change, and then it continues to decrease. This might make you curious. What was going on here? Maybe some of our history students could chime in on that. And then write a complete sentence that describes the data point for 1950. So if we do go to 1950, and we go straight up from 1950, this is better with a ruler, and I did it with a ruler on the other side, then you can sort of trace over and see that we're just below 5. I would say we're right about here on the childbearing for 1950. Being able to identify what a specific point means helps us to identify what the whole graph is saying. So that specific graph point would say that in 1950, women had an average of 4.9 what? 4.9 children born per woman. So scrolling down here, around 1800, women had 5 or 6 babies born per woman. So that was at the beginning. It was actually closer to 6, wasn't it? And then it comes and decreases slowly. Then there's some change, and then it decreases more quickly down to about 2.5 babies per woman. And that's a worldwide average. And here's the sentence I wrote for that point. And as you can see, I did it with a ruler here, which is a little bit better, and then brought my line right over to here to estimate 4.8. And if you wrote 4.9, that would be fine as well. Rosling has another video on babies per woman, which I encourage you to watch. They're very short. And then he also says 2.5 babies per woman today.